Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is August the 11th of 2025, and we have made it to day number 113 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. All right. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, I am talking about grabbing one offer from ClickBank, okay, a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. All right. And then what we're doing is we're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full time income doing so within 1 year. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys how to do this method. If you guys want to get started, you're more than welcome to get started. But I just wanted to show you that this method does work. It does convert. It does pay. Okay. So follow along with me. Go back and watch these videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing and how we're doing things. All right. So we made it to day number 13. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're going to either see 100 or 200 brand new subscribers coming into this back office. All right. Now, what separates the two is however many accounts that you have. The cool thing about My Lead Gen Secrets, they let you have more than one account. Okay, so you can have multiple accounts. You can get as many as you like. All right. So, and then that's how you start to gain getting 200 subscribers instead of 100 is having those multiple accounts. All right. Just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over a few years. Okay. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. I've earned income with My Lead Gen Secrets. I've earned income with ClickBank, and just been doing this thing over and over and over again, just to show you guys how easy it is to do so. All right. So that's just a little bit about myself. Like I said, I've been in this internet marketing space over a century. Okay. So I've been, in this field for a long time, guys. I can tell you what does work, what doesn't work. I do paid marketing. I do email marketing. I do a lot of different stuff. So, and that's pretty much what this platform of the My Lead Gen Secret is. It's an email platform. Okay. So, all you have to do when you come into this back office is you have to send out emails to your subscribers. Okay. Now, the cool thing about the My Lead Gen Secret is that you can come in every single day and send out an email, one email every 24 hours. Okay. And you can do that you can do that every day, like some people like myself. Me right now, I have about 8 different accounts. I come in every single day. I send out one email to every single one of my accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to do so, and then I can get on with my day and do other make money online, projects that I do. Okay. So this is what your back office is going to look like, guys, whenever you get started today. It's going to look exactly like this. You're going to have these tabs coming across here. The only thing that's going to be different is the emails that you're sending out versus what I'm sending out. It may be a little bit different, but everything else is still going to be the same. Okay. So the offer that we are using for this challenge is an offer on ClickBank called Social Sales Rep, which is live chat jobs on ClickBank. Okay. You have to go to the e-business, e-marketing section, and then you go to that live chat jobs. It's going to be one of the top offers on there. Okay. And this is the offer that we're going to be promoting for this series. Okay. And this offer, the cool thing, and you don't have to actually promote this offer. You can promote other business opportunity offers that they have, and they're kind of similar to this. So it's about a good 3 or 4 other offers that you can use. And all of those offers do have free email swipes. Okay. And these are the emails that we'll be sending out to our list starting out. Okay. So as you can see, we got 1 through 20 right here. And what we were going to do is we're going to take all of these emails, we're going to send them all out. Okay. And then we're going to go all the way down to 20. And then once we get to 20, we're going to start back at 1 again. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how you can just send out an email super easy. Okay. So you pretty much what you're going to want to do is go over here to the mailing system. And this is the mailing system. This is where you're going to do all your work. Okay. So pretty much you're going to select all. You want to load up all the emails that you have saved in your account. Okay. In your back office. All right. And then you have 2 different sections that you're going to be using. One is a subject line and the other one is the body of text. Okay. So pretty much what you would do is we're going to be looking for our subject line. Okay. And our subject line is going to be this right here. Okay. This is what your subject line. We're just picking a random email. So pretty much you would go here and you would take this, the subject line, you come back over here to the mailing system and you paste that in, right? It's just super easy to do. Okay. Let's see here. Let me try that again. So let's go ahead and take this and we just want to copy it. Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system and then Control V, right? You get the idea. You just copy and paste. And then the body of text, you got to click on perfect timing. Make sure you do that. And then you come back here to the body of text and then you grab this body, right? So you just grab all of that, come down here, Control C, and then come back over here to the mailing system, Control A, and then Control V. Like it's just super easy to do, guys. All right. And you take out the signature and you put in like your name. Okay. All right. And then the high name, you're going to want to come here and grab this link and then you Control C because we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. So you come over here and then you just Control V, right? Control V. Boom. Super easy to do. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn one of these sentences, this call to action. The cool thing about these emails is that they all have a call to action text on it. So, and it's going to be in bold text so you know exactly where to put your clickable link. So right here, as you can see, they got click here in bold text. So what they want us to do, we want to get our prospect to click here. Okay. So we want to turn that into a clickable button. So what I want to do is grab this whole sentence, go over here to this link tab, and then you're going to want to put in your affiliate link, which is going to be right here. Okay. And then Control C, and we're going to come back over here to the mailing system, Control V, right? And what you want to do is take out where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, and you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID right there. So that way you get the credit and click on OK. And what that does, guys, it turns that into a clickable link. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here and you want to make it a little bit bigger. Now, as you can see, this is already ready to go. Okay, we got a high name. We're addressing our prospect by their first name. So this email will say like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, whatever your name is. And then it goes into the email of working from home. Okay. And then now after they read a little bit, they'll be able to click here. And that once they click there, it's going to take them to our affiliate page. Okay. That's going to do all the selling and telling for us. We don't have to really do anything. All right. So all we got to do is get our prospect to that page. All right. So, and how we do that is creating a really good email or using the pre-reading emails that you have in your back office. Okay. Of your ClickBank. All right. So everything looks good, guys. What you would do is you just come down here. There's going to be two buttons. One's going to say send now. One's going to say preview. You click on preview. What that does, it pulls up your email in real time. That way you can click on the clickable link and see if it works. Okay. So, and then after you do that, guys, you come back here and you click send. Like it's just that easy, guys. We just sent out an email in the My Lead Gen secret. If you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. So all you got to do is come here and then come down here and click on this MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the My Lead Gen Secret landing page. Scroll down right here, guys. Click right here and go ahead and get started, right? Okay. Now, after you get started, send me an email. Okay. Send me a message on here on YouTube and let me know you did sign up, and I'll go ahead and send you guys over. I got over 80 pre-written emails that you can use that you can have in your arsenal ready to go. All right. So after we do that, guys, we're going to come back here and we're going to click on send. We just sent out an email in the My Lead Gen secret, guys, and it's just super easy to do. Anybody can do it. All right. So we did send out an email last night with My Lead Gen secrets. Okay. And I wanted to show you the results from yesterday. And as you can see, this is the algorithm. This is what it's been looking like. Okay. Every 2 days or every 1 day is what it's been looking like as far as our algorithm. And then we may go, 2 or 3 days in a row with the sale, and then it'll skip 2 days. All right. And the whole idea here, guys, is to get that gap bridged. We want to bridge this gap to where we are making sales every single day. Okay. And there's going to be some things that we're going to be working on to be able to, make our chances better to getting sales every day. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. Let's go ahead and check our results. Today is the August 11th. Today, let's see what kind of traffic we got. We're on social sales rep. We got 906 hops and then 881 unique hops, which are brand new IP addresses that came to our website. And then we did get one order from impression. Okay, this is someone who went to the checkout page, decided to buy the program for whatever reason, or did not buy. Okay, but today we did get a rebill. Okay, for of our $20. Okay, and that right there, guys, is basically, let's find out where that came from. Let's see here. I believe it was from a sale that we got the other day. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down here. All right, and then we're just going to come down here and then boom. Right, so let's go ahead and click on this. And then, yep, this came from the sale that we got on the 8th. Okay. So, and I believe that we got a sale one of these days. I'm not sure if it was the other day or yesterday or the day before. We did get a sale, but this sale came from the 8th. Okay. And it got rebuilt today. So, which is pretty cool. All right. So, just wanted to show you guys what that looks like and where that came from. This offer that we're promoting, I like promoting it because it has a rebill each and every month of $20. So that way, if somebody gets, if somebody comes onto our list and they start working and they start making money, they're going to get billed every single month for the program as long as they're making money. Okay. So that's the cool thing about this method, is that it's a reoccurring billing. So you can do the work one time, get it set up, and then get paid over and over and over again. Okay. So I just wanted to show you the guys the results. We did earn, we earned a rebill today. We earned a little bit of cash. Okay. And then also we did get a sale, I believe, a couple days ago. And I believe it was on the 9th, maybe. I'm not sure, guys. It was maybe one of these days that we did get a sale. So I'm hopefully looking for another sale coming in either tomorrow or the next day. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I will see you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.